Riddle, you are my mother, but I am not your son. What am I? A husband. B. Sister. D. Daughter. D. Son. So it is very important riddle, and it is very difficult riddle in our social life. The riddle is the most popular in the world. So only genius person write the answer, and it is very difficult riddle. The videos high quality, and the videos is the good. The video is the most the popular, and the video high quality. The videos around is beautiful. The videos around high buildings and follower. So the riddle question on, I said riddle again. You are my mother, but I am not your son. What am I? A husband. B. Sister. C. Daughter. D. Son. So only intelligent person write the answer, and only genius person write the correct the answer. And please comment the riddle. The riddle is the most popular in the world. So I request the riddles right answer. Please comment. Only genius person write the answer, and 90% people felt the correct answer. So it is very important.